Did you just buy a Cricket SIM card and don't know how to activate it? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to activate your Cricket SIM card.
First of all, make sure your phone is fully charged. Then power off your device before inserting the SIM card.
Carefully insert the new SIM card into your phone's SIM tray. Make sure it fits snugly and is placed correctly. Once inserted, push the tray back into the phone.
Now power on your device. If needed, connect to a Wi-Fi network and good speed need. Open your browser and go to cricketwireless.com/activate. Enter your order number and phone number to begin the activation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may need to select your plan or confirm your payment details. Once everything is completed, you'll receive a confirmation message.
Restart your phone to ensure the network updates correctly. After restarting, test your SIM by making a call or turning on mobile data.
If you run into any issues, you can contact Cricket support or visit a nearby Cricket Wireless store for assistance.
So that's how you activate your Cricket Wireless SIM card step by step. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and stay tuned for more.